Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the innovative SpaceAid 5-tier rotating bookshelf tower. A perfect solution for keeping your books neat and organized with its unique Lazy Susan design. This space-saving marvel can hold numerous books in a compact area, measuring 18.1 inches wide by 18.1 inches deep and standing 62.2 inches tall, making it ideal for any room in your home, from bedrooms to playrooms. With its spinning design, every book is easily visible, allowing you to maximize your storage space while adding a modern touch to your decor. Constructed from durable solid board, this sturdy bookshelf tower can support not just books, but also handbags, hats, shoes, or any other accessories you wish to display. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to the included instructions, ensuring you can set up your spinning book corner shelf tower quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're looking to declutter or simply enhance your living space, the SpaceAid rotating bookshelf tower offers a stylish and practical solution for all your storage needs. So, why not transform your space today with this versatile and elegant organizer? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.